Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working here in the shop, working outside, washing some stuff. We have the 9330 here to wash, and then maybe the other combine. Just depends on how much time I have. Then we're going to wax this, which I probably won't get to today, but that's what we're going to do today. Alright guys, so just got back from lunch, and I'm gonna go back to working on this tractor. I didn't really film anything this morning. Just washing a lot of mud and plant material off of it. As you can see, all of that under there came off of there. So there's a bunch of stuff on there. Still working up here a little bit under the hood, and then I have to soap it all down. I'll spray it again and then soap it all down. I think I got all the most of the actual dirt off of it. Just got to spray it off and put soap on it now. So then we'll get that done, and then we'll back it right back here in the shop, and we'll throw some wax on. I don't know if I'll do that. Probably do that later tonight. I might go get the combine here in a little bit after I get this done, and at least get it blown off pretty good. It just depends on how much time I have when I get done with this, how many more places I can find on here with a bunch of mud on it. So we're done washing 9330. Let's go take a look. Alright guys, so I'm done with this tractor, got it all washed. I was washing it with just the hose in here in the shop. I had some places in the wheels here that I was getting, but I got it looking pretty good. I had a few little places that I needed to get. I have it looking pretty good, good enough, and I'll probably put a wax on it in the morning, and then we can take it off tomorrow night or something like that. So anyways, I'm gonna head home, and I'll get back with you guys in the morning, I think. Alright guys, so I'm back here this morning. I got a new camera, GoPro 9. I just kind of got it mounted up here for now. I don't know if I'm gonna put a mic on it right now. I'm trying to see how it's gonna do here, just kind of testing. But anyways, I got the combine down here this morning, the other one that we haven't washed yet, and I'm gonna get the shields taken off of it, and we will get it down there to the field so we can blow it off, and then Nick and Jacob are gonna power wash that today because I have already did mine, so somebody else can do that one. So anyways, I'm gonna see how this sound is on here. All right, so I got the combine most of the way. I got all the shields off of it, so now Nick is down there blowing it off with the leaf blower. This one really isn't that bad because it's just ran beans. The corn dust this year really made a mess of things. But anyways, I'm gonna go work on some little things while they're blowing that off, and then they can get started washing on it. So hopefully they can get that done today, or at least get close to where we can have it done, because it's supposed to get up to 50 degrees today. It's 42 right now, so we'll have to see how that goes. Also, new GoPro and mic thing. So if it's different, that's why.
Hey, and I'm gonna get a camera so you guys get to watch me whatever I'm doing.
Yeah, that sounds exciting. Alright guys, so it is another day. I think it's Tuesday the 29th, and I've pretty much spent all day in the office working on computer stuff, and I got out here about 3:30, finally getting to do some stuff, and I'm going to try to finish up the combine. I am putting a wrench up that was in the combine, putting it back in the truck here. I am going to go finish up this combine. All I gotta do is clean out the cab. I will show you what I painted on it, the wheels, and Cody took the wax off today. It looks really good. Wheels look good. Combine is definitely not perfect though. Far from it, but looks pretty good. Those look a lot better. I know it's kind of a different color yellow in there on those bolts, but it may be a little bit different color, but it makes it look a lot better than what it did when it was rusted, because I was not a fan of it because they look terrible. But yeah, we are going to get working on the cabin here. I'm gonna get my nice little Milwaukee vacuum. This thing works good. It's pretty easy to carry around. It's just a little box there. Pop it open here. Gotta get me a battery to put in there, and then it's good to go. So I'm gonna get this going. I'm gonna clean out the cab in that combine, and then that should be it. We don't really have to do anything else to it. I think that'll be it. Alright guys, we're up here. We put the combine in the barn here very tight. We were gonna rearrange it, but the other combine wouldn't start. The battery's dead for some reason. So it wasn't dead, but it just didn't want to crank over. So no big deal. We'll work on it in the spring. We'll make sure we're prepared when we come up here. They're in, they're fine, so we're gonna leave it how it is for this winter. And then come spring, when we need to get the planters out back there, we can be prepared when we come up here with the battery charger and stuff. So